What is up, you guys? We're back with another video. Today we're not going to do anything too exciting. I'm just going to be painting my front bumper just because there's too many imperfections in it. There's too many paint chips, scratches, stuff like that. So I'll go ahead and show you guys, and then we'll continue with the process. So here's my bumper, guys. As you guys can see, all the bottom edge is all torn up. That was when I was still static, but I don't want to see that anymore. I'm actually tired of seeing that. It doesn't make the front end look any good. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that. We're gonna fix this scratch right here, and then on this corner, we're gonna fix that. Then there's some spider cracks all over the place, so I actually want to get rid of all that stuff. And then like right here on this corner, you can see that there's like cracking, so I'm gonna go ahead and sand it all down, lay a piece of fiberglass, and then we'll continue the paint job. Alright guys, so these are all the things that I'm gonna use. I do not have any primer just because I'm not gonna take down the paint all the way to the bottom. Then I'm gonna just sand the clear coat, nothing too serious. And this is the fiberglass that I'm gonna use. You can get this at AutoZone. I just went ahead and bought this because I ran out of the one that came with the kit. And I'm gonna be doing a parts review, kind of, sorta. I got this at Harbor Freight. It was like $5 or so. So essentially, this just clips on to the can, and you use it like a spray gun. So we're gonna see how that works for us, man. Hopefully it comes out good, but we'll see. So let's go ahead, start the sanding. I'll set you guys up, start the hyperlapse, and we'll get on going from there, guys. So I went ahead and already put the fiberglass down. Everything's all sanded. This crack right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's right here. It's already covered, so that's all good to go. It's all sanded down perfectly fine. This side right here, it's fine too. It was just right here, like it had a little bubble, but it's fine. Everything's all sanded down there as well. Our bumper sanded down, so we'll go ahead and lay down the first couple of coats, and then we'll go on from there. This thing right here, which is what I got at Harbor Freight. Apparently all you gotta do is just clip it on this and then snap it down. So there you go. You just gotta fix the tip and then you'll be good. So we already gave it like 2 or 3 coats. It's actually not turning out bad, man. And this fucking handle from Harbor Freight, it's working out good, dude. I would give this little handle, like, out of 5 stars, I'll give it like a 4.5. It's actually pretty good, dude. It makes it feel like you're actually painting, dude. So, I mean, the only spot that I need to hit it some more is right here on this spot where, see, you can see it, is where I laid that fiberglass. And I think I sanded a little bit too far down, but honestly that's the only part I need that really didn't get covered too well. But I still have enough paint to paint that, but everything else is coming out pretty good, dude. So I mean, for a rattle can paint job, I'm not even mad. I'm gonna just make sure it dries. I'm gonna go on that piece that I did the fiberglass on, and then we'll go on from there. Alright boys, first coat of clear coat is on. Honestly, I'm not even mad. Like, you could even see the shine in it right now. So I mean, and the sun isn't even out. So we're gonna let that dry for a bit. Then we'll come back when this is dry, give it a second coat, and then we'll see how it goes. So I just laid it all 3 coats. Everything is good to go. I'll show you guys that in a minute. But it looks good, guys. It honestly looks better than what it did. And we're gonna go slap it on the car. Well, we've got to put the grill on first. Then we'll slap it on the car, and then I'll show you guys how it looks on the car. But honestly, pretty happy with it. We're gonna repaint it later on anyways, so I'm not really too concerned about it. But I did want it to look a lot better. So let's go put that on the car, and then we'll continue from there, guys. And just like that, boys, it's back on the hatch. Looks better than it ever did before, man. Don't mind that bird poop that's on the grill. But hey, other than that, it looks good, dude. And on my fender. Shit, I need to wash my car, man. That'll probably be for the next video, just because I gotta go real quick. But before we go, let me know what color you guys think looks good for that valve cover. That's gonna be totally up to you guys, so leave it down in the comments. If you guys like this video, please leave a like on the video, subscribe, comment. But yeah, guys, this is where we're gonna leave it off, and I'll see you guys on the next one.